Is she going to actually stand trial a little over a month from now? We'll have to wait and see. If indeed she has retained counsel, one would think a continuance would be necessary. Michael Jaafar is with us. Michael, the judge has had enough of this, and she put out this plea. I need an attorney. You want to be famous? You'll be on court TV. She even made a flyer. and it appears as if someone has answered the call and has met with her and has filed this motion for a continuance. If indeed another attorney shows up and says, I am representing Sarah Boone, the judge is going to have to push this, correct?
Yeah, I mean, look at Court TV, you know, being so powerful that even attorneys are taking cases that they maybe otherwise would have rejected, right? Very proud of Court TV, but yeah, the judge is going to have to she's going to have to give her way on this. It has all the upsides and none of the downsides, and here's why. It's not like Sarah Boone is sitting on an island sipping Mai Tais, awaiting her trial and just trying to push and delay the ball so she can continue her vacation. She's in custody, right? So it's not like there's any difference, you know. She's either guilty or she's not. If she's guilty, she's already basically serving a sentence of a person who's guilty of this, right? Giving her an attorney, especially when an attorney has showed up for four times and is filing motions, it has all the upsides for the judge. Judge doesn't want to have Sarah Boone defend herself and turn this case into a circus and then, you know, come back on appeal and say, well, I had an attorney, you didn't let me have an attorney. No, the judge wants her to have an attorney and lose the right way, right? And this, by the way, this case is an imminently winnable case. Not winnable in terms of Sarah Boone is going to walk out and get a not guilty, but winnable in terms of it could be dropped down to voluntary manslaughter. I mean, this has voluntary manslaughter written all over it, right? So, I mean, an attorney could really do right by Sarah Boone and the system and make even the judge happy. So she should have an attorney. If she doesn't fire this attorney, great. If she fires this attorney, honestly, for some reason, I feel like if the judge allows Sarah Boone to postpone her trial, have her attorney, and then she fires this attorney, I think she's done no matter. I don't care if the Supreme Court justice retires and wants to defend Sarah Boone. At that point, the judge is going to tell her you're done.
Yeah.